If you're hearing these words right now, it's not an accident. Something inside you already knows the truth. Your success is not a question anymore. It is inevitable. Listen closely. Take a deep breath in and gently let it go. Allow your body to relax. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Slow down your breathing. You don't need to try right now. You don't need to force belief. Your subconscious mind is already listening. Every word you hear now is planting a new expectation, a calm certainty, a quiet confidence. You are safe to receive this. Repeat silently or out loud at your own pace. So, let's begin. My success is inevitable. I no longer wonder if it will happen. I know it will. My mind is learning a new pattern. The pattern of certainty. The pattern of trust. I release the habit of doubt. Doubt no longer protects me. Certainty supports me. Every experience I have is guiding me forward. Even delays are progress. Even challenges are shaping my strength. My subconscious mind accepts this as truth. I am someone who succeeds. Success feels natural to me now. Success feels expected. Success feels normal. Momentum is always working in my favor. Small steps compound into massive results. I respect the power of consistency. I do not need motivation to succeed. I move forward even when I feel neutral. I move forward even when I feel tired. My nervous system feels safe with growth. Success no longer feels overwhelming. It feels familiar. Each day, my actions align naturally with progress. I make better choices without forcing them. I trust myself to figure things out. I do not panic when things move slowly. I understand that inevitability requires patience. And patience is strength. My success is unfolding on schedule, even when I cannot see the full picture yet. I am becoming the version of myself who finishes what they start. I follow through with ease. I trust my own discipline. I respect my goals. I respect my time. I respect my potential. I no longer chase validation. I build quietly. I grow steadily. The right opportunities notice me naturally. I do not have to prove my worth. My presence speaks for itself. My subconscious mind works for me, not against me. It seeks solutions automatically. It guides me toward clarity. I am aligned with long-term success. Short-term discomfort does not scare me. I understand the bigger picture. My success is inevitable because I do not quit. I release the fear of failure. Failure is information, not identity. I release the fear of success. I am capable of handling growth. I release comparison. My path is uniquely mine. I forgive my past self for not knowing better. I honor how far I have come. I acknowledge my resilience. Old limitations dissolve now. Old stories lose their power. I am writing a new narrative. In this new story, I trust myself. I back myself. I succeed. My nervous system relaxes into certainty. There is no rush. There is no pressure. Only forward movement. Let these affirmations repeat gently. My success is inevitable. I trust the process of my life. Everything is working out for me. I show up consistently. I improve naturally. I succeed inevitably. I am becoming unstoppable, calmly, steadily, quietly. Nothing meant for me can miss me. Nothing aligned with my success can pass me by. I do not need proof anymore. I already know. My success is inevitable. My success is inevitable. My success is inevitable. Take one final deep breath in and slowly release it. Carry this certainty with you, even after this video ends.